Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'll be doing Jamaican wine cake or Christmas cake. Here are the ingredients that I've used. The portions may look much more because I have doubled the recipe. I will start by blending my currants, raisins and prunes that were already pre-soaked in wine for about 3 months. You will need to add more wine during the blending process in order to have the ingredients blended properly. You are going to use 1 pound butter and 1 pound sugar. You are going to mix this until light and fluffy. You're now going to start preparing your eggs. I usually do this and remove the eye of the egg or the chalaza. Use 12 eggs for the regular recipe. I will now start adding my eggs in small portions. Be careful not to over-mix it. Breadcrumbs to 4.5 to 5 cups of flour or 1 pound flour. Then you will add your remaining dry ingredients such as your baking powder, your cinnamon powder, your nutmeg, your mixed spice, or whatever else spice you want to put inside it together. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. You will then mix together all dry ingredients to combine. You will then start to add your dry ingredients to your mixer. However, you can use the mixer or do this by hand. Blended fruits in small portions while mixing. going to add some Jamaican browning sauce to it. However, go light as this can get bitter. You're going to add your vanilla, your almond extract, and some Jamaican white rum. Some grated orange rind. You can also use the lime or lemon rind, but preferably orange rind. Is completed, you're going to now place this inside your lined baking container. You're going to bake this for about an hour or until baked. Once it is completely baked, you will then pour some wine over the cake to add moisture. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you